Welcome to your dream home in Franklin Fields Estates, where modern convenience meets classic elegance. Nestled within the renowned North Allegheny School District, this stunning home has so much to offer. Step inside and enjoy the warmth of hardwood floors and an open floor plan that creates an inviting atmosphere perfect for everyday living and entertaining. Discover the heart of this home, the gourmet kitchen with quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, and ample cabinetry. This is a place where memories are made. Relax in the tranquil primary suite with his and her closets and a beautiful bathroom with double vanities and a large shower. With 6 bedrooms and 5 bathrooms, this 4,500 square foot home has plenty of space for you and your guests. Explore the possibilities in the spacious lower level, whether it's a gym, media room, or creative studio. This area is your canvas. Step outside to your private deck where nature awaits. Ideal for morning coffee or outdoor gatherings, this serene setting offers a peaceful escape. Imagine life in this beautiful luxury home. Ready to make it yours? I'm Robin Taylor with Coldwell Banker Realty. Let's connect and turn this vision into a reality.